Hi, we're going to show you today a day in the water for the iGarden K60 new 2026 upgraded pool robot. Now this is a great pool motor. It is for in-ground and above ground pool, and it will do the water line, it will do the walls and the floor, and it will give you about 6 hours running time depending on the mode that you choose. Now we have pre-programmed it. We have charged it. It is ready to go. I'm going to give you a closer look at this control panel here. This is the button that you press for 3 seconds and it illuminates the lights. See how it turned everything on? Now you can pick your regular mode, that's walls and floors. I'm going to pick turbo mode. There we go. As you see here, my pool has leaves in it from a recent storm. We're going to use the iGarden to clean this up. Now I'm following the directions here on the quick start guide. It says when you turn it on, put it in the water within 3 minutes. Okay, so we're going to do that. And it says to rotate it slightly and let the trapped air come out. Press and hold the on button for 3 seconds. And the lights will flash. We're going to set the options and press start again. There, it's beginning its first journey and it's doing its AI mapping. It also has an AI scheduler where we can schedule it to clean an hour every day or a set time every 1 to 3 days. And it is recommended that you clean the basket frequently and keep it in its optimum running condition. Look, it is climbing the wall already and scrubbing that water line. Oh, I love this pool cleaner already. And look where it went through that pile of leaves, that debris that was on the bottom of the pool, and picked it up on its first pass. There's plenty more leaves in my pool here from a recent grass cutting and a blistery, windy, stormy day. So it has a lot of work to do. We will keep track of this beautiful iGarden pool cleaner and let you see its results. It also has a self-perk feature, obstacle avoidance, and water sensors on the front and the sides that help it determine where it needs to work. Look at it over there on the other side of my pool, climbing up that side and getting to that water line. This is its first pass, so it has just mapped the width of my pool. I love seeing it do its first pass using that intelligent motor to create a custom map for my pool. Look at that. It's really cleaned very well. The area that was full of leaves before is now clean and there's not a trace of leaves, and it's going on its merry way to make some extra passes. This is a great pool cleaner. I really am impressed with its first run here. I think you will be very pleased. It climbs the walls beautifully and it has a very strong navigation path that gets every spot in the pool. I really am impressed with this pool cleaner. I highly recommend it. If you like this video, please follow us and we will do lots more videos on this great pool cleaner and others like these.